Hi. In this video, I'm going to explain the asynchronous polling pattern. This pattern is very useful when you want to perform long-running task. So you have an applications and you have a custom API or the API which is responsible for running long-running tasks, and you have a workflow applications, and that applications wants to call your API and then to run the particular job, and after the job is completed, then it has to get the informations from your API, and then it has to call some other workflow steps, or it has to continue with the next step and all. So in such case, if it's a long running task, then you have to make sure that your application has to wait for that much amount of time. But like HTTP request times out after a certain point, so after certain seconds. So what you have to do is you have to implement a different way to achieve this behavior. So so this is a nice pattern. Like so in those cases, we can think about using this polling action pattern. So this pattern suggests that just implemented a different way. Just just look at this example here. So this logic apps engine, this is our applications, and this is custom API. Custom API actually performs a long running task here. So whenever application logic apps engine send a request to the custom API to run a particular job, it will maintain a it will maintain the active connections with the logic apps engine. It means like custom API maintains an active connections with the logic apps engine, but it will spawn up another thread to run this particular job separately. And then as we all know that this is a long running job, so the custom API has to return the appropriate information so that the logic apps engine can get to know about the job status after some point of time. For example, here, so custom API returns 202 accepted status, and then the required response header, it provides the location URI. Location URI is a unique information. In the location header, it provides some unique informations by using which the custom API can identify the particular job and all, can identify a particular job. So and then it also provides some optional retry after header interval time value. So once it sends this information, the logic apps engine parse this location header and get the job related informations, and then it has to call the custom API to get the status of this particular job after this time interval. So so uh, um, so if if the job is not done yet means, then the custom API would return the same response informations. But if the job is done, then the custom API would return 200 OK status, and it also returns the response payload that contains some job specific information here. So this is a nice example to explain this pattern, how this pattern will work and all. So it will so if you don't want to use queue-based approach, then we can think about using this pattern, because queue-based approach is not an easy way to implement it. It requires a lot of effort, a lot of development effort and all. So instead of using queue, we can think about using this asynchronous pattern for running long range tasks. I got to know about this pattern from the Microsoft website. I will provide the link for this particular pattern in the description of my video. Please check it out. And if you have any questions, and please share it. Please add as a comments to my video. Thank you.